In this video, we shall establish with solid evidence that the extraction of zinc was indeed an Indian invention and not an English or Chinese invention, as it is claimed widely. This video is brought to you by the Unknown India channel, which tells you all about India, that is Bharat, that you did not know. If you like this video, please click the like button, share it with your contacts, subscribe to this channel, and hit the bell icon to be notified of new videos and other announcements. Thanks. Zinc is an interesting and useful metal as it is used to make mock silver utensils and artifacts and also mock gold coins. It is also an alloying element for brass, which is popular for making vessels and also for bell metal and gunmetal. Because of its rust-proofing quality, zinc's modern uses include galvanizing iron and steel, ingredient in paints and chemicals, electroplating, hydraulic and marine valves, pipes and fittings, electric batteries, etc. It also has medicinal and nutritional applications. Zinc has a boiling point of 906 degrees centigrade, therefore, it would be in gaseous form at the temperature required to reduce its oxide ore to metal, which is 950 to 1100 degrees centigrade. In an open fire furnace, unless the vapors are trapped by means of condensation equipment, converting the vapors in the course of cooling into metallic zinc, they will combine with carbon dioxide in the furnace and form zinc oxide. Therefore, it is impossible to smelt zinc in an open fire furnace like iron, copper, etc. Zinc can only be produced by vapor distillation process invented in Zawar or Jawar 40 km from Udaipur in Rajasthan. It is the world's oldest mining and metallurgy site, marking ancient India's acumen in the metallurgy sector. It is a prosperous mining region known for its magnificent silver jewelry. Zinc and lead mined from the Aravalli rocks, extracted through this unique distillation process, was shipped to Europe to bolster brass instrumentation for the Industrial Revolution. The Alchemy works Rasa Ratnakara of 13th century CE by Maharishi Nagarjuna and Rasaratna Samuchaya of the 14th century CE both contain passages detailing the process and equipment for producing zinc. Retards are inverted clay pots used for distillation of zinc and are unique to Zawar, said to have been invented by the Bhil tribals, who were the original inhabitants of the region. Retards were coated on the inside with condiments such as turmeric. Retards were cylindrical with one end open and were about 30 cm long and 1 cm thick, with an internal diameter of 10 cm. Retards used in distant past have been utilized as building materials by local people. Walls made of clay retards are found even today all over Zawar. The earliest radiocarbon datings for the Zawar mines are 430 plus or minus 100 years BCE, that is 530 to 330 BCE. Old workings at Rajpura and Dariba around 375 BCE and Rampura Agucha around 370 BCE confirm the mining of lead zinc ores in the southern Rajasthan region from the 5th to 4th centuries BCE onwards. Zinc was produced on a commercial scale in Zawar since the 9th century CE. The 2400 years old smelting technique of Zawar, which was lost to the world, was rediscovered by an Englishman called Dr. John Lane in 1726 CE after a visit to Zawar. He produced zinc by this Indian process at Swansea in southwest Wales, according to British scholars like Beckman and Professor Poster. The British metallurgist William Champion patented a process in 1738 of Common Era to distill zinc metal from calamine using charcoal in a smelter. This process remained in use for more than 100 years. What Champion patented was essentially the same process of high temperature distillation and condensation that had been in use in Zawar since the 1st century AD this was sheer plagiarism. Many scholars attribute invention of zinc smelting to China. This is utterly nonsensical, as the Chinese started producing zinc only in the 18th century of Common Era, and they even called zinc only by the Indian name of Thutanag. Historians believe that a large number of Chinese monks who visited India to study Buddhism took back with them the knowledge of medicine, astronomy, zinc and brass technology, and alchemy. Recognition of Indian invention of zinc smelting came rather late. In 1988 of Common Era, the American Society of Metals, or ASM International, recognized Zawar mine as an international historical landmark. The ASM plaque reads, "At this site are preserved the zinc retort distillation furnaces and remnants of related operations. The village artifacts together with the temple ruins attest to the success of this metallurgical technology. This operation first supplied the brass for fine instrument making in Europe, a forerunner of the Industrial Revolution." Please check out our playlist of all videos on India's technology initiatives, as also our other videos in the full playlist, and also subscribe to our channel by clicking the respective links. Thank you.